This is just a review of your Ed Plan 2.0, which was launched about a few days or a few weeks ago for the Francophone countries.
Ceci n'est qu'un résumé par rapport au nouveau système Ed Plan 2.0.
Okay, let me speak in my local language for a while. Pag meron akong konting adjustment, baka kasi nagkaroon ng yung kami ni Ana nagkaroon ako ng confusion konti dun sa I-correct nyo ako.
Yes po,
Sige
sir.
po, sir. No problem.
No
Pangatlong
problem.
country ko na ngayong umaga. Okay, so okay, sorry about that. I just told them to if I'm just telling them if I can really speak in French, but no, these three guys are forbidden to speak in French. Okay, so I rather follow them. Okay, now again a review. Okay, let me give you a background, reminder of what is Ed Plan 2.0, why it is Ed Plan 2.0.
Là, je vais venir vous rappeler déjà pourquoi nous l'appelons Ed Plan 2.0.
2.0 means because the reason why it is 2.0, it is a version 2 of what you are enjoying, the business plan that you have been enjoying for so many years now. This is a better version. Okay, this would help you drive your
2.0
own
veut dire tout simplement que c'est
economy.
la version. 2.0 veut dire tout simplement que c'est la version améliorée, la version la plus rapide du système que vous avez déjà bénéficié de.
Economy means simply the sum total of all the buying. Okay, hold on. Economy means the sum total transaction of the buying and selling in a certain organization or community.
L'économie veut dire tout simplement que ce sont une somme des achats et des recrutements que vous faites durant ce moment. Donc, ce sont ces sommes-là qu'on assomme ensemble et on vous remet.
Okay. The objective of this campaign, Ed Plan 2.0, is to increase, to drive further the buying and selling in your own community, meaning in your own network.
Donc, Ed Plan 2.0, ça veut dire pour vous, c'est accélère et ça accroît vos revenus dans votre localité.
Okay, so this is bigger, faster, and better. Why? Because number one, you'll be getting a bigger commission. Therefore, it will be faster in getting your dreams. Again, this is a better version of what you are already enjoying for the last several years.
Ça, c'est la version améliorée. Il est facile, il est plus rapide. C'est le moyen le plus facile pour vous d'accroître à votre rêve.
Okay. Ana, naintindihan mo yung French?
Konti po.
Wow, okay. I'm just asking Ana if they can understand the French and Sir Gab. Okay, of course, I won't ask Awep anymore. Okay, again, this let me remind you of the Ed Plan package. Okay, so it's 158. This is the one. Let me correct it immediately. Okay, sorry, this is 158, right, Ana? Okay.
Yes.
Sorry about that. The package, okay, you have two options. Number one is the Ed Plan package, which is 158,000, which you can see on screen. It has stair-step points of 8,000 and binary points of 1,400. Those points means one thing or several things. Money. Okay.
OK, voici le kit du nouveau package Ed Plan 2.0 qui coûte 158 000 francs. Là, vous avez le point de stair-step qui est 8 000 et le binary point qui est 1,400. Tous ces points veulent dire tout simplement de l'argent.
Okay, how do you say money?
L'argent.
L'argent.
L'argent? Okay, now let me continue. The binary program innovation. When we say innovation, it is an upgrade. It is an improvement.
Ceci est le système binaire innové.
Oh, that's short, bro. Okay. The direct referral bonus or the pairing bonus is now 10,000 CFA. And the matching bonus, or sorry, the direct referral bonus, as I have said, is 10,000. And the pairing bonus, okay, I might say matching or pairing, it's the same thing. Pairing bonus is 25,000 for your Ed Plan package.
Ce nouveau système nous offre le bonus de parrainage qui est revenu à 10 000 francs et le bonus d'équilibre qui est monté à 25 000 francs.
Okay. When we say direct referral bonus, every time you sponsored somebody, you bring in somebody and then join the business, you get 10,000 CFA.
Quand nous parlons de bonus de parrainage, il veut dire tout simplement, à chaque fois que vous connectez quelqu'un au business, il vient prendre son package. Nous vous payons 10 000 francs.
Now, how do you get pairing bonus? It means you have every time you have two under you. You have one on your left, one on your right. It is called pairing bonus or matching bonus. It means you'll get a commission of 25,000.
Le bonus d'équilibre dit tout simplement que à chaque fois que vous avez une personne à gauche, une personne à droite, il équilibre et vous paye instantané 25 000 francs.
If you are following what direct referral bonus means and matching or pairing bonus means, can you type 2? Can you type 2?
Pour ceux qui ont compris de quoi il s'agit, bonus de parrainage et bonus d'équilibre, cliquez sur 2.
Okay, we'll wait for yeah. Thank you, Kingsley. How about the others? Are you following? Elvister. Okay, bonjour. Okay. Alio. Okay, very good. It means, okay, you're doing the right translation, Stefan. Okay. Very good. How do you say very good, Stefan?
Très bien.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Awef. My good friend, I've been missing Awef already. Now the cycle. So you have a maximum of 7 matching or 7 pairing bonus on your first 12 hours and 7 on the next 12 hours. It means 14 total pairing bonus per day. That's your maximum income on pairing bonus per day.
Maintenant, parlons du cycle. De la journée, vous avez juste besoin de souscrire 14 personnes, qui veut dire le premier cycle qui quitte de minuit à midi, vous souscrivez 7 personnes. De midi à 24 heures.
Okay, so therefore, your maximum per day, okay, is 14. Multiply it with your pairing bonus. That gives you a total of 350,000 per day. 14 times your maximum your matching bonus.
Le gain maxi de la journée, pour un compte, vous allez avoir 350 000 francs avec le cycle 14 par jour.
Okay. Now, existing distributors, meaning everyone who's a member already, for you to enjoy the benefits that I'll be explaining as later on, okay, you need to do the NPP. Okay, you need to do the NPP. NPP means new plan policy. At this point, it's new plan policy. Again, you have to do NPP for you to enjoy or for you to migrate from the old compensation plan or business plan to the new compensation plan. And when you are already Ed Plan 2.0, you will now enjoy all the benefits that I'll be sharing later.
Donc, pour bénéficier du nouveau système, il faut faire un achat de votre NPP. NPP qui veut dire tout simplement New Plan Policy.
Okay, the new plan policy, it's like a package. It's a combination of products wherein you need to buy. Okay, to buy. It differs from country to country. If you are from Cameroon, Togo, or Ivory Coast. So you may ask the country managers, the branch managers in your respective countries. Okay, so how much is the NPP? I hope by now you're able to do the NPP already.
Donc, chaque pays a son package pour le NPP avec ses produits à l'intérieur et son prix. Donc, pour faire un achat, allez vers votre service client Alliance Emotion Global de votre pays et faites un achat de votre NPP pour bénéficier du nouveau système.
Okay, now, remember the pairing bonus, okay? Every time you have one on your left, one on your right, or every two distributors, business partners join your community, one on the left, one on your right, it means a pair. Therefore, you will be given a commission of 25,000. Now, that is the commission. Okay, you may go first, Stefan.
Quand nous parlons de bonus d'équilibre, il veut dire tout simplement que quand vous souscrivez à Alliance Emotion Global, vous avez le côté gauche et le côté droit. Donc, pour bénéficier de 25 000, il vous faut une personne à gauche, une personne à droite, et en équilibre, on paye 25 000 instantanés.
Okay, that is the commission you will get from your first up to the 500 pair. Meaning, one on the left, one on the right, that's one pair. Another one on the left, one on the right, that's the second pair. Second, up to the 500 pair, you'll get 25,000 commission for your matching bonus. Okay.
Donc, vous allez bénéficier 25 000 francs. Vous allez bénéficier 25 000 francs du premier équilibre jusqu'au 500e équilibre.
However, on your 500 first pair and beyond, as Miko says it, and beyond, okay, and beyond, okay, on your 500 first pair and beyond, okay, from 25,000, it will slightly slid down to 22,000 per match. However, it will still be bigger because your cycle from 7 per cycle will now become 9. So therefore, instead of just enjoying 14 maximum per day, it will now be 18. Okay, 18 pairing bonus per day.
À partir de votre 501e paire, vous commencez à bénéficier du bonus d'équilibre de 22 000 francs. Gauche-droite, 22 000. Ça réduit, ça devient plutôt 22 000 et non 25 000. Pourquoi? Parce que votre cycle va augmenter de 9 par jour, qui veut dire 18 inscriptions par jour. Okay. Donc, l'inscription va plutôt augmenter et nous allons réduire les gains.
So, therefore, remember your maximum a while ago, it's just 350,000 on the 7/7 cycle. Remember, 350,000 maximum per day. This one is bigger because it's now, although again, it's a little lower, but however, the cycle was extended. Therefore, from 350, your new maximum income pairing bonus per day is now 396,000.
Vous voyez qu'ici, il y a un grand changement. De l'autre côté, où vous gagnez 25 000 francs, le cycle était de 365 000 francs. Maintenant, ici, le cycle est de 396 000 francs de la journée.
Okay, if you are following, can you type 396? 396.
Si vous avez compris, est-ce que vous pouvez cliquer sur 396?
Okay, we'll see if they're following. Very good. Very good. Okay, I hope you don't mind. I'm glancing on my right because I have my second monitor here so I can see everyone. There. Okay. Great. Thank you. Now, therefore, the maximum income per day from 350,000, remember 14, if you join the business, you'll get 14 times 25,000. That gives you 350,000 per day, or a total of 10 million maximum per month. Now, if you are if you are already on the 500 first pair, since the cycle was extended to from 7 to 7. It is now 7-7. It's now 9-9. You have now the new maximum income of 11 million. So I'll stop here, Stefan.
OK. Là, vous voyez qu'avec votre premier cycle, de votre premier cycle au 500e cycle, vous bénéficiez de 25 000 par cycle, par matching bonus, par bonus de parrainage. Ce qui veut dire que la journée vous revient à 350 000 francs quand vous avez 14 paires. Donc là, à la fin du mois, vous pouvez gagner 10 500 francs, 10 500 000 francs. Maintenant, à partir de 501e bonus d'équilibre, vous gagnez par jour 366 000 francs, qui veut dire 18 paires par jour. Donc, à la fin du mois, vous pouvez gagner 11 880 000 francs.
Okay. So, again, this is the biggest income any company is offering, okay? Even though you compare it in the industry of networking, in the networking or MLM industry, when you check other companies who's using also a binary 1-1 program, as long as it is a legitimate company, we are, or your AIM Global Business is offering the biggest income potential.
Nous avons aussi des compagnies à l'extérieur qui ont aussi un système binaire. Mais je vous l'assure, ici à AIM Global, notre système binaire est celui qui offre beaucoup plus de gains, de revenus à tout le monde.
Okay. Now, let me say something about this income, because some of the distributors might say it's quite impossible to earn this much per day. Now, let me tell you this, that I cannot blame you because, you know, it's quite a big number. But, you know, that's also the feedback I got when I launched this several years ago in Nigeria.
Donc, je sais que la plupart des personnes vont se dire que ces gains sont impossibles de l'avoir peut-être par mois ou par jour. Mais je vous assure, j'ai eu ce même souci quand j'ai partagé cette opportunité ici au Nigeria.
Now, but right now, a lot of people are enjoying this income. In fact, not only in Nigeria, there are some distributors or leaders in Francophone countries who are enjoying this income. So therefore, this is your future. It's possible. This income is possible. This is your future. Where you are right now is where they are before. So all you have to do is, you know, do the business and listen to our trainers and your coaches and your uplines. So because this could be, or you could be the next who will be enjoying this, as long as you will be with us.
Aujourd'hui, il y en a plusieurs personnes qui reçoivent ces gains parce qu'ils ont travaillé. Donc, c'est tout à fait possible ici à Alliance Emotion Global de bosser dur et d'être payé ces gains. Donc, le tout, c'est de rester connecté, de rester travailler et de se focaliser ici. Et je vous assure que vous aurez tout ceci dans votre compte.
Okay, now let me proceed. The Ed Plan AP or Associate Pack. Remember, we have another way of this company is so generous because it has another way of letting people join. If some people cannot afford the first one, they can. Okay, go to this, the Ed Plan Associate Pack. So it is just 90,000. Again, those points I will explain later. It has SS points of 4,000 and stair step, sorry, and binary points of 700.
Donc, voilà le Associate Package pour le Ed Plan 2.0 pour ceux qui n'ont pas assez de capital d'investir au moins 158 000 francs. Nous avons le Associate Package de 98 000 francs qui vous donne un stair step de 4 000 points et un système, un binary point de 700 points.
Again, you have two options of letting your business partners or future business partners join your community. It's either the 90,000 or the 158,000.
Donc, vous avez deux options quand vous partagez l'opportunité avec vos prospects. Vous avez le Associate Package qui coûte 98 000 et le Global Package qui coûte 158 000 francs.
Okay, let me explain how much commission you will get should you offer the Ed Plan Associate Package. Again, the direct referral bonus. Okay, every time you bring in somebody who will buy the Ed Plan Associate Pack, you'll get 7,000. That is unlimited. Every time somebody joins you, they bought the package Ed Plan Associate Pack, you'll get 7,000.
À chaque fois que quelqu'un vient s'inscrire derrière vous avec un associate package, la compagnie vous paye 7 000 francs.
Okay, now if you have two, meaning you have one on your left, one on your right, it doesn't matter if the first one came this week and then the other one came later. As long as there's one on the left, one on the right, it is called pairing bonus, matching bonus. Regardless if you're the one who brought them in or it was brought in by the people under you, you'll get additional 12,500 every pair under you.
Et à chaque fois que derrière vous, vous avez une personne à gauche, une personne à droite qui se rajoute dans votre système, une à gauche, une à droite qui vous donne le bonus d'équilibre de 12 500 francs quand ils viennent, quand ils s'inscrivent avec le Associate Package.
Okay. Now, let's proceed. The cycle, it's okay. If they buy, they opted to get the associate package, Ed Plan AP, they'll get from 7 initially. Remember, this is a higher cycle, 10-10. Course 10-10. Okay, 10, 20, you multiply it by, okay, let me move this. Okay, there you go. 20, you multiply it by 7,000, that would give you 250,000 per day. That's the maximum. 10 on your first 12 hours, 10 on your second 12 hours per day, times 7. That's why we have that 250,000. Maximum.
Donc, avec le Associate Package, pour notre cycle de la journée, nous avons 10 à gauche et 10 à droite qui vous font 10 paires qui vont vous produire dans votre compte 250 000 francs.
Okay, are we live on Facebook, Miss Anna? Oh, let me say hi. Let's greet the viewers watching us on Facebook. Hello. How do you say hello again? Oh, it's bonjour, right?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Those who are watching on Facebook. Okay. Anyway, so as a new distributor, how do we, you need 2 personal points, so you'll be upgraded. To be upgraded from AP to, sorry, did you get that, Stefan? Okay.
No, I didn't get you, sir. You can
Okay.
say it
Let
again.
me say, we both of us were confused because we greeted someone. We greeted our viewers. I got confused also. So let's not greet them. Let's not say hi to all the Facebook. Anyway, so remember, from 10, remember, if people, well, let me go back to that slide. Okay, here, remember when they, where is it? Where is it? The cycle. There, 10, right? This is the cycle. Yeah. When somebody buys the the AP, maximum is 10 per day. For us to for them to enjoy a bigger income on the matching bonus. Remember, when they buy the Ed Plan pack, it's 350,000 per day. So they might say it's smaller. This one is quite small. However, they can upgrade. How? By buying 2 points. Remember, any products comes with points. Should they accumulate 2 points, not on one-time purchase only, okay? They just need to accumulate 2 points. Buying of products, right? They buy products. When they accumulate 2 points, they will now be upgraded from 10-10 cycle. It will now become 14-14. Okay. Did you get that?
OK. Avec le Associate Package, le cycle de la journée est seulement 10 inscriptions à gauche, 10 inscriptions à droite. Mais quand vous accumulez 2 points en achetant les produits, pas une seule fois, avec le temps vous accumulez 2 points, votre cycle upgrade, ça devient 14 paires à gauche et 14 paires à droite.
14. Okay. 14. It's 14. Okay. Good. Good. Anyway.
Yeah.
Again, products comes with points. When you accumulate 2 points, because you buy products, you'll now be upgraded. Now, the cycle from 10-10, remember?
N'oubliez pas que
Okay. So again, from
en achetant vos produits, il vient avec les points.
Okay. Let me remind you again, when they buy the associate package, initial cycle is 10-10, which will give you a potential income of 250,000. Okay, so I go. Now, upon upgrade.
Je vous rappelle encore que le cycle avec
Okay. Oh, sorry, we're
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah, so I'll go ahead. Now, this is initial cycle that you will get, but
Yeah.
upon upgrade, remember when you accumulate 2 points, it will now become 14. Therefore, 28 or 14 plus 14 is 28 times 7,000. Therefore, you will still enjoy 350,000, just like when you bought the Ed Plan pack. So from AP, you can become MP, okay? Associate pack will become Ed Plan pack. Therefore, you will still enjoy the 350,000, even though you started as an when you buy the Ed Plan Associate package.
Whip, I think you can take over because the connection in the marketing office is not stable at the moment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Stefano, okay, are you in the marketing
Yes,
office?
I'm getting.
Ok, donc ce qu'il a dit tout à l'heure.
Yeah, marketing office.
Okay.
Okay. So can I translate this one so you can continue, Mr. Stefan?
OK.
Ok.
No,
Donc ce
no
qu'il a dit
problem,
tout à l'heure. Ok. Ce qu'il a dit tout à l'heure, en fait, je vous explique ça rapidement. Si vous voulez vraiment faire, c'est-à-dire augmenter le cyclage que vous voulez avoir quotidiennement, il faut juste accumuler 2 points. Donc, une fois que, d'abord, sans les 2 points, vous avez les 10 paires chaque jour, qui va vous donner un maximum de revenus de 250 000 par jour. Et une fois que vous avez accumulé les 2 points personnels, c'est-à-dire les achats en fait, en détail que vous allez faire, parce que vous n'êtes pas vraiment obligé d'acheter les 2 points un coup. C'est-à-dire vous pouvez acheter, accumuler son détail. Et en même temps, vous allez avoir les 14 paires par jour qui vous donnera 350 000 francs quotidiennement.
Yay! Okay, nice. Thank you. How do you say thank you again?
Merci.
Merci.
So, Mr. Stefan, can you continue now, or do you want me to continue?
Oh, the connection there.
Yes. Sir, I think we can continue, sir.
Okay, I'll continue. We're having a slight technical difficulties. Okay, so now the pairing bonus. Okay, Remember, one on the left, one on the right. It's 12.5 because if you avail of the Ed Plan Associate Pack, that is your commission from your first up to the 500 pair.
Voilà, donc le bonus d'équilibre, elle va coûter 12 500 de premier au 500e paire.
However, on your 500 first pair and beyond, okay, one on the left, one on the right, that's one pair. And second, then another one on the left, one on the right, second pair, up to 500. That is what you will get.
Donc,
If you bought the Associate Ed Plan Associate Pack.
donc, voici ce que vous allez avoir. C'est-à-dire, une fois, il y a une personne à gauche, à droite, ça fait une paire, de deuxième paire jusqu'aux 500 paires. Vous allez avoir les 2500 francs CFA.
However, if you reach 500 first pair and beyond and above, it will slightly go down to 11,000, but however, you will still enjoy a bigger income because from 14, it will now be 18 per cycle. So that gives you an increase of cycle, about 36 per day times 11. This is now your new maximum income per day. So it's like, you know, you bought the Ed Plan Pack.
OK. Donc, une fois que vous avez dépassé les 500 premiers paires, c'est-à-dire à partir de 500 premiers paires, le bonus d'équilibre reviendra à 11 000 francs CFA. Mais cette fois-ci, le cycle n'est plus à 14, mais elle reviendra à 18 cycles par jour, pardon. Et le maximum potentiel revenu que vous pouvez avoir est jusqu'aux 396 000 francs CFA par jour.
Okay. So if you are following what I'm saying, can you type 18?
Donc,
Can you type 18? Oh, very good. Huh? Anna, it's Anna.
donc, si vous me suivez, est-ce que vous
Erica.
pouvez taper 18?
Kala ko may yun, Jibril,
Okay,
very
so-
good.
I think Mr. Stefan is ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
Oh, you're back. Where have you been?
He's back.
Thank you, Stefano. Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Now, so let's continue. Now, therefore, the maximum income, this is your per day and per month. When they started with the AP, Ed Plan Associate Pack, it will increase to 350,000 per day if they upgrade. Remember, that's your per month. Now,
Donc, par jour, vous avez un gain de 250 000 francs avec le Associate Package. Donc, par mois, vous avez un gain de 7 500 000 francs par mois. Et maintenant, quand vous accumulez les points et quand vous allez upgrade, vous commencez déjà à partir de 501e bonus d'équilibre, vous commencez déjà à gagner 350 000 francs de la journée et par mois, vous gagnez 10 500 000 francs.
okay. Now, again, just like what I have said, when you compare this to any other company who's using a binary 1-1 in the MLM industry, your AIM Global has the biggest, okay, commission. Your AIM Global or the Ed Plan 2.0 has the biggest commission. You will enjoy the biggest commission
Donc,
for this Ed Plan 2.0.
Donc, comparé à d'autres systèmes, le système Edplan 2.0 a innové et vous avez plus de grands gains avec ce système.
Okay. Now, I forgot to mention where did we get this 396. Remember, if you reach 500 first and beyond, from 14, it will now become 18 per cycle times 2 cycle. Therefore, your total per day is 396 times 30 days. Okay, that's why we have those 396,000 per day and also the 11+ million per month.
Donc, si vous voyez ici 396 000, ça veut dire tout simplement que c'est la version où vous avez upgrade. Ça veut dire que de la journée, vous n'allez plus avoir 14 inscriptions de la journée, vous allez plutôt avoir 18 per cycle et qui va vous permettre de gagner 396 000 de la journée et par mois, vous avez 11 880 000 par mois.
Okay. Now, introducing the new ranks. We now have, if you are Ed Plan 2.0 ready, you can be a Silver Executive Prime, Gold Executive Prime, and Global Ambassador Prime.
Donc là, j'ai introduit les nouveaux rangs. Si vous avez déjà acheté votre NPP et que vous êtes dans le nouveau système, vous avez de nouveaux rangs comme le Silver Prime, Gold Executive Prime et le Global Ambassador Prime.
Okay, now let me explain how you can become a Prime.
Je vous explique comment être un Prime.
Now, what you see on the screen, I'll be illustrating it. An active SE with 10% production coming from other lines, not just from the stronger line. 90% or 5 points, whichever is lower. Okay. Can you get that? Okay, again. This is how, let me say that again. This is how you will become an SE Prime. You must have a SE under you. Okay, and then 10%, remember in your community, you have 100% production. The 10% should come from other lines. The 90% should come from your stronger line. Don't worry, I have an illustration.
OK. Donc ici, pour devenir Prime, pour devenir Silver Executive Prime, ça veut dire tout simplement que vous devrez déjà avoir un Silver Executive dans votre réseau et maintenant 10 points de l'autre côté, 10% de vos points de l'autre côté et 99% de points productifs du côté fort. Et ceci vous donne pour que vous puissiez être Silver Executive Prime.
Okay, let me illustrate what that statement means.
Là, je vais démontrer de quoi il s'agit.
This is you. For example, this is you. Your strong leg. The strong leg means the leg which has more points. We call it the strong leg, right? That's your direct. You're the one who sponsored that. Or that person.
Te voici, et voilà ton pied fort. Le pied fort veut dire tout simplement que vous avez beaucoup plus de points que les autres.
Now, for example, that strong leg, his group produced 10 points.
Là, le pied fort, le groupe produit 10 points.
10% of which must come from the other lines. Not necessarily from only one line.
Et maintenant, les 10 autres points doivent sortir d'une autre ligne.
Okay, so this is your new leg. This is the other line. The 10%, it says this active SE with 10% of production coming from other lines. So this is your strong. Can you see the arrow? That's the strong. 10 points was produced by that. You get 10% should come from other. So therefore, the 10% of 10 points is 1 point. The 1 point. Sorry.
Donc, le côté fort où vous avez des SI, ils vont produire 10 points. Et l'autre côté faible, ils doivent produire 1 point.
When this happens, okay, you will now become SE Prime.
Et quand ceci arrive, vous devenez directement SE Prime.
Therefore, this is a new income. You will now enjoy additional, okay, 3% commission from that SE up to his second level, which you don't have before. Remember, when you are in the same position, you will not enjoy commission. However, when you become an SE Prime, when you were able to achieve this, you'll get additional 3% from that SE up to the second level.
Et maintenant, quand vous devenez SI Prime, vous allez bénéficier de votre Silver Executive à partir du deuxième niveau, 3% de chaque achat ou de chaque inscription.
Again, so that's how you will become SE Prime, sorry. And therefore, that's how additional benefit that you will get.
Donc, voilà les bénéfices additionnels que vous allez avoir. 3% du deuxième niveau de votre SE.
Okay, let's go to this one. How about GE Prime? How do you become a GE Prime? So you can see on top of your screen, it says the same thing. Same principle applies. However, if you are a GE, the 10% of production must come from other line, not only from your strong line or strong leg. Okay, 90%. So this is a different example.
Donc, pour votre GE Prime, qui est le Goal Executive Prime, vos 10% doivent sortir sur un seul côté. Ce n'est pas de deux côtés maintenant pour être GE Prime.
Okay, let me illustrate and say it again. So, however, you will see now how generous this company is. Okay, this is you. You were able to sponsor somebody. You are an active gold executive. You sponsored somebody, becomes somebody becomes a gold executive as well. However, since if one is in a gold executive position, he has a bigger group. So, for example, the points accumulated by this gold executive is 100 points. Now, let me just continue so you'll explain it fully. Okay, GE, 100 points. So the 10% should come from other lines, right? It's not limited to one direct. It may come from different legs. It must just be from different leg. So a new leg. However, so it says here 10%. However, the 10% of 100 is 10 points, right? But it says something here, or 5 points, whichever is lower. So instead of your other leg is will try to reach 10 points, you just need to help them achieve 5 points instead of 10 points. So that's what this 5 points or whichever is lower.
Donc, avec le Goal Executive Prime, ici, votre pied fort qui a un Goal Executive Prime, pour être Goal Executive, il faut déjà accumuler 100 points. Maintenant, ce système dit que votre pied faible doit accumuler 10 points pour bénéficier du Goal Executive Prime. Mais là, on vous donne encore un avantage qui veut dire qu'ils doivent seulement venir avec 5 points. Donc, vous pouvez les aider à accumuler 5 points positionnels pour bénéficier du Goal Executive Prime.
Okay, so what benefits awaits you when you were able to achieve this? So instead, you will now become a GE Prime. Now you will earn additional 5 points. Remember, if you're an SE Prime, it's just 3%. But if you are a GE Prime, it's 5% also from all your direct GE, Gold Executive, up to his second level.
Donc, avec ce système, vous bénéficiez encore de plus de 5% de votre deuxième niveau de tous vos goals exécutifs, de tous vos directs goals exécutifs Prime.
Okay, now GA Prime. So same principle. If you're a GA, then you're somebody whom you have sponsored or brought in this business becomes GA, the strong leg, meaning the group with bigger points. So you have to understand, it is now this GA has a bigger group than GE and SE. So for example, this GA Global Ambassador has already 1,000 points. Now, again, same principle applies, 10% of which must come from different lines or other lines. Again, not necessarily just one. It can come from several lines. So how does it go? So this is your new leg, the matching or the pairing leg. So instead of, you know, the 10% of 1,000 is 100, but since 100 points is higher than 5, you don't need to hit 100, but only 5 points. When it happens, you'll become a GA prime.
Maintenant, pour être GA Prime, il est facile. Il faut déjà avoir aussi un Global Ambassador dans votre réseau que vous avez amené. Pour devenir Global Ambassador, il faut 1000 points positionnels. Et maintenant, vos 10 points doivent sortir de votre côté faible. Pour que vous puissiez bénéficier des 10 points, il faut juste accumuler 5 points pour bénéficier du Global Ambassador Prime.
Okay, so what benefits, oh, sorry, let me go back. What benefits awaits you? So you will now enjoy 2% from all your GA directs up to the 5th generation, bro. This is you, GA, 2% from all your GA up to the 5th level, 5th generation, sorry.
Donc, vous allez bénéficier 2% de votre Global Ambassador jusqu'à la 5e génération.
Okay. Now, what benefits awaits you if you get additional, sorry, this is just additional explanation of what I have just mentioned. Again, 3%. Okay, since you become an SE Prime, you'll get 3% on your second level, all your GE up to a second level. Again, new income because before they don't have this. You don't have this. Okay, let me just move forward because it's just another. Okay, CEGA. Now, this is what I want to discuss instead of that because we already explained that. So the benefits of developing a SE Prime Direct, meaning the one whom you sponsored become SE Prime. Okay? What benefits awaits you? Okay? You will now be upgraded to 25,000. Remember, though you will be on the 500 first pair and beyond, remember, if you reach 500 first and beyond, you will slide down. The commission will, the pairing bonus will be, a little lower, which is 22,000. However, if you were able to develop a SE Prime Direct, you will still enjoy higher pairing bonus and extended cycle. Instead of 7, it is 9. Therefore, if you have a Direct SE Prime, higher matching, extended cycle.
OK, je vous explique ceci mieux. Déjà, n'oubliez pas que votre cycle avec le nouveau système est de 10 qui font 22 000 par bonus d'équilibre pour le premier niveau de bonus de parrainage de 1 jusqu'à 500. Et maintenant, de 501 bonus d'équilibre jusqu'à l'infini et qui va vous coûter 22 000 francs par matching bonus. Mais si vous avez un SI, vous avez quelqu'un dans votre réseau qui devient SI Prime, vous allez plutôt bénéficier de 25 000 francs par bonus d'équilibre au lieu de 22 000 francs. C'est-à-dire que votre niveau serait 25 000 par matching bonus à partir de 501e cycle à vie. Donc, vous avez plus de gains et vous avez plus de gens qui augmentent dans votre cycle. Vous avez 9 qui font 18 par cycle.
Now, that is just for 1 week. Should you want to enjoy higher pairing bonus and extended cycle for a month, you should develop a GE Prime Direct. When it happens, again, higher pairing bonus, extended cycle. However, instead of just enjoying it for 1 week, it will be extended for 1 month.
Donc, pour bénéficier, parce que ce qu'on vient d'expliquer, c'est juste pour bénéficier en 1 semaine. Ça, c'est l'avantage d'une semaine. Mais si vous voulez bénéficier pour un mois, il vous faut un Gold Executive Prime dans votre réseau qui va vous faire bénéficier ça durant un mois.
Okay. Now, should you want to enjoy those higher commission, higher pairing bonus, extended cycle for a longer period of time, if you are a GA, develop somebody from your directs that will become GA Prime as well. When it happens, again, higher pairing bonus, extended cycle, this time for 3 months, not just for 1 month.
Maintenant, pour avoir plus de gains, il faut créer un Global Ambassador Prime qui va vous permettre de bénéficier de ces gains durant 3 mois et non 1 mois.
Okay. If you are following, can you type Prime? Okay, I can see of you. Hello, Sir Solo. I saw Sir Solo.
Si tu suis et si tu peux taper Prime.
Okay, there you go. Anna again. Si Anna. Okay. Kala ko may mabili. Erica, there you go. Thank you, Erica. Okay, Jibrin. Okay. Merci. Leke, Professor Leke. Clement. Merci. Awip, merci. Okay. Na-mute. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe Sir Solo muted me because I speak loud. Hello, Sir Solo. Miss you. Anyway, so I've been missing this wonderful guys, all my friends, colleagues. I can't forget when we visited Togo, Ivory Coast with this guy. Of course, my short stay in Ivory Coast about a few months ago with Awep. Anyway, now, again, let me remind you of your potential income per day. Should you start, again, with on the bottom, okay, it can be upgraded to 350. On your left, you can see per day and per month. Again, when you compare what your AIM Global business or the EdPlan 2.0 to other company, any company in the same in the MLM industry, we have or you have the biggest, okay, commission, bigger income, biggest income potential. Okay, there you go.
Donc là, j'essaie encore de vous démontrer que notre système EdPlan 2.0 est meilleur que d'autres dans d'autres réseaux parce que ce système a plus de gains et plus de revenus journaliers et mensuels.
Okay. Now again, it's not impossible because I am with you, and especially those who are new in this business, you might say it's quite impossible, but trust me, we've been here. We've been in Africa for 8 years, and a lot of people are enjoying this. In fact, in some other countries, they are enjoying ×3, ×4 of those. Okay.
Donc,
so that's their future.
C'est impossible, mais je vous le dis, nous avons fait 8 ans en Afrique, et je vous assure que dans d'autres pays, il y a des gens qui bénéficient de ce gain x3 même.
Okay. Now let us proceed. Again, the stair-step program innovation. Again, what does innovation means? Upgrade, improvement on your stair steps.
Donc, le prochain, c'est le stair-step programme innovation. Ici, c'est toujours un système innové.
Okay, now, so before, in the old business plan, compensation plan, you'll get certain level of commission depending on your position, which you can see on your screen. If you're a silver executive, gold, and so on and so forth, you'll get the following commissions on all your distributors under you, right?
Donc, sur l'ancien système, quand vous souscrivez, vous devenez d'abord distributeur et vous montez des échelons et vous avez des bénéfices.
Now, new income. Okay, how do you say new income?
Un nouveau revenu.
Oh, it's quite new income. Let me just stick to the English. Okay,
Yeah.
new income.
Nouveau revenu.
But you know, when I get there soon, I'll spend more time with the francophone country so I can speak well like Solo and Anna and of course Awep. Okay, we will translate the other Filipino trainers. I will be the one to translate. Anyway, so this is the great news. This is again how you can see how generous our your ed plan or your AIM Global business is. From your personal purchase, you'll get rebates. It's like a change when you buy something, products for your personal use. As long as you buy something, you'll get additional rebate, additional income, depending on your position. If you're a silver, gold, global, those are the commissions or the personal rebates that you will be getting.
Donc, ici, ce sont vos points, ce sont vos achats accumulés que nous vous payons par mois. Quand nous parlons des rebates, nous parlons des ristournes. Vous faites un achat et on vous accumule des revenus pour vous donner par mois. Donc, nous parlons ici des ristournes de vos achats.
Okay. Now, do you want more? Of course, more great news. Introducing the new compensation plan. Right now, new, additional. Okay, we never changed the compensation plan since we started in Africa 8 years ago. We never changed it, but your AIM Global business is doing is just, it is continuously innovating and improving. From the 3 compensation plan, we have a new one, which is the UPP or the UniPay plan.
Donc, à part les 3 plans de compensation que vous connaissez déjà, Alliance InMotion Global a innové encore. Il a apporté un nouveau système de paiement qui est le UPP, qui est UniPay Plan.
Okay, this is my version, my interpretation of UniPay plan. It's bonus. It's bonus. You know why? Because without doing extra effort, you'll be given additional income. That's why it is a bonus.
Ceci est comme un bonus. Donc, pourquoi je l'appelle bonus? Parce qu'avec ceci, vous n'avez pas besoin de faire d'efforts et vous allez gagner des revenus.
Okay, how does it work? Again, additional income. Distributor will enjoy commission from your first up to the 20th level. In fact, you are assured of additional 10 level commission with the same name compression plus dynamic compression.
Donc, ici, tout distributeur va bénéficier de commissions du premier niveau jusqu'au 21e niveau.
Again, why did I call it a bonus? Because it will be based on the stair step genealogy. So when the system will just be checking your first up to the 20th, and then you'll be given commission.
Donc là, le système va juste vérifier votre premier niveau au 20e niveau pour accumuler votre commission.
Okay. What's great about this, it has the same name compression and dynamic compression, meaning same name. Remember, you have there are probably several people under your group owns several accounts. If they have 7 accounts, they will be occupying 3 levels. With the same name compression, instead of occupying 3, it will now be just counted as 1. Therefore, you will be reaching a deeper level.
Donc, je vous explique ici, nous avons des gens dans notre réseau qui ont les 7 comptes. Maintenant, on dit ici que ces gens qui ont 7 comptes, on va les accumuler, on va les minimiser, ils vont devenir une seule personne et vous allez bénéficier plus profondément.
Okay, now the dynamic compression, of course, you know this. If, for example, level 8, 9, and 10 are not producing, they will not be counted. They will not be. They will be removed from the counting, not from your genealogy. They will not be counted. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 8, 9, and 10th level are not producing, the 8 would become the 11 would become the 8 and the 12 and so on and so forth. So therefore, with the dynamic compression, you are assured of a 20 level commission.
Donc ici, quand nous parlons de 20 niveaux, cela veut dire que si dans votre niveau 1 jusqu'à 20, le niveau 11, 12, 13 ne sont pas actifs, nous allons aller sur le 21e, 22e, 23e pour remplacer ces niveaux qui ne sont pas actifs pour que vous puissiez bénéficier du niveau 1 jusqu'au 20e niveau.
Okay, if you're following, can you type UPP? UPP.
Si tu comprends bien, tu peux taper UPP.
Okay, Erica, there you go. Erica, of course, Solo, Awep, and Anna, Fidel, Berry. Oh, everyone is following. Thank you, thank you. Masi Boko. Anyway, let's continue. Again, this is the commission that you will be getting additional. From first to third, 5%.
Voici les commissions additionnelles que vous allez avoir du premier au troisième, 5%.
Okay, on your fourth and until the 8th, you'll get 4%.
Donc du 4e au 8e, vous avez 4%.
On your 9th to 15th, 3%.
Du 9e au 15e, vous avez 3%.
Now, this is even getting more exciting because as you go deeper, your commission will become bigger, go back to a bigger percentage. 16 to 17 will go back to 4%, sorry, and then on the 18th and the 20th, we'll go back to 5%. So,
vous voyez que ici, le niveau 16 et au 17 remonte à 4% et le niveau 18 au 20e remonte à 5%.
Okay, those are the commissions you will get. Additional, let me say this again, additional commission from your first up to the 20th. For you to enjoy the 11th to 20th, you must be in prime position.
Sir, please come back again, sir, please.
Okay. Now, remember on UPP, you are now, let me say it this way. Additional bonus on your, the UPP entitles you, gives you additional bonus from the first up to the 20th, right? Those are the commission. Now, if for them to be assured of first up to the, until the 20th level, they must be in prime position. So meaning they are assured of first up to the 10th. For them to enjoy the 11th up to the 20th level, they must be in prime position. So our suggestion is for them to hit the prime position regularly so that they will be getting additional commission from their first up to the 20th level.
OK. Donc, pour bénéficier de ce point, de ce revenu additionnel, vous devriez être prime. C'est très important parce que si vous n'êtes pas prime, vous allez juste bénéficier du premier au troisième, qui est juste 5%. Mais si vous êtes prime, vous allez bénéficier du premier jusqu'au 20e niveau à vie.
Okay. Now, PMA innovation. Okay. Personal. Okay. I want you to remember this because I was surprised to see and to learn about a few days ago. A lot of top earners in some other countries, do not know the meaning of PMA, the acronym PMA. So again, when we say innovation, it's an upgrade, an improvement. PMA means personal monthly achievement. Okay, personal, your personal things that you must achieve. Okay, personal for you, for your personal achievement, personal monthly achievement.
La PME veut dire que c'est vos accumulations par mois, pas de votre groupe. Votre accumulation personnelle par mois.
Okay, for you, personal, you. Okay. Now, how does it work? Okay, this is good news. One PMA, main account. Remember, if you have several accounts, one PMA, if you do PMA, I'll explain later what PMA, how do you do PMA. One PMA will cover all accounts in one DTC. Okay?
Un PMA, si vous avez plusieurs comptes, un PMA couvre tous vos comptes.
Okay. So, I hope they're getting it. What does PMA means? Okay, before we go to that, PMA will be applicable to all compensation plan. Therefore, when you do PMA, number one, you will it will cover all your accounts. If you have 7 accounts, it will be covered. Okay? Now, when you do PMA, so there's a lot of benefits when you do PMA. You will earn, that's what it means. Okay? You will benefit from binary, unilevel, stair steps, and UPP.
Donc, si vous faites votre PME, premier avantage, c'est que un PME couvre tous vos comptes. Si vous avez plusieurs comptes, 3 comptes, il couvre tous vos comptes déjà. Et il a plus d'avantages parce qu'il vous permet d'avoir les gains sur le système binaire, unilevel, stair step et UPP.
Okay, so let's now explain PMA. Okay. Binary maintenance only for SE to GA. If you are SE, if you are a silver executive, gold executive, and GA, your PMA, personal monthly purchase for you is 0.334. What does 0.334 means? Remember, I explained a while ago, all products comes with points. You have to buy products that would total to 0.3334. When you have achieved that, when you purchase products amounting to that with that points, you have done your PMA, personal monthly achievement.
PMA veut dire tout simplement que c'est votre maintenance du mois. Donc n'oubliez pas que pour faire une maintenance de silver exécutif à gold exécutif, vous avez besoin des points qui est 0,3334, qui veut dire juste, ce sont les accumulations de vos achats que vous faites durant ce mois qui vous permettent de faire une maintenance.
Okay, so for example, if you are, let's say, what products do you need to buy for you to have a PMA, for you to meet the PMA? So that if it's complete, okay, the blister pack, 2 complete or 2 C24/7, either or 2, okay, because it will total to somewhat 0.334. So that is for you. Remember, all you have to do, buy products because you need to use the products, right? If you use 1 capsule a day, it will total for about 30 in a month. And then if you're married, give it to your husband or to your wife. When you buy 1 blister for you, blister pack for your wife or husband, that covers your PMA already. See, apart from that, apart from being healthy and protected, it will cover all your accounts. It will cover all, meaning you will benefit from binary, unilevel, stair steps, and UPP. See how great is when you do your PMA.
Donc, pour faire votre maintenance par mois, vous avez juste besoin de faire un achat de 6 retail packs de C24/7. Ceci vous permet de faire une maintenance pour tous vos comptes et vous bénéficiez plus. Et ces achats sont importants pour vous parce que vous prenez soin de votre famille et de vous-même.
Okay, now, newly registered distributor will start their PMA, any product. See how generous your AIM Global business is? Any product on their 3rd month, not after the 3rd month. Let me emphasize this. New, if somebody joins you today, they need their PMA, okay? They will start their PMA on the 3rd month. How does it work? Today is month is October. November, their PMA is covered by AIM Global. They don't have to do anything right now to do PMA. Next month, not again. But on December, they have to do the PMA for their January. Okay? But any product, what does it mean? When you buy 1 retail pack, if you have retail pack in your country, retail pack, you buy 1 toothpaste, that covers already their PMA. New distributors, meaning if they are not SE and up to GA. Not 0.334, but any product.
Et voilà une bonne nouvelle pour nous. Il veut dire tout simplement que tout tous ceux que vous souscrivez aujourd'hui peuvent bénéficier des gains, mais à partir du 3e mois, ça veut dire que quoi? S'ils souscrivent aujourd'hui, s'ils souscrivent ce mois pour bénéficier de leur maintenance, c'est à partir du 3e mois. Donc, Alliance Emotion Global s'occupe du mois prochain, du mois prochain. Maintenant, du 3e mois, ils commencent déjà à faire leur achat pour la maintenance. Et c'est bien parce qu'il suffit qu'ils achètent juste un produit. Même si c'est juste la pâte dentifrice, ça leur permet de faire leur maintenance.
Okay. But if you will ask me, what I want you to do, okay, this is what I did. Okay, this is what I've been doing when I was a full-time networker. You have to create a culture under you, a culture of buying and using of products. So do not tell them, do not buy PMA only on your 3rd month. No, when somebody joins you, immediately ask them to buy products. Because if you tell them not to buy products only on the 3rd month, it's like telling them, don't use the products, don't sell. So what we want is to instill a buying and using of products, a buying and selling culture under your group. When it becomes a culture under your team, everybody benefits, not only on the health aspect, but on the business aspect as well, because everybody would maximize the 4 compensation plan. Okay?
Donc, il est très important déjà d'avoir une culture dans votre réseau, de permettre à tout le monde de faire un achat tous les jours. N'attendez pas jusqu'au 3e mois. Demandez-les déjà de faire un achat chaque mois pour déjà consommer avec la famille. Là, ça va déjà les habituer et ça sera un peu plus facile pour eux de faire un achat. Et en faisant cet achat, ils vont bénéficier au moins de 4 systèmes en même temps.
Okay. Now, safety features. Okay. Safety features. So GP reorder codes expire, meaning when you buy something, it comes with codes, right? In your in-store. When you don't use that until 60 days, it will expire, meaning you won't benefit from it. So we want you to monetize all those codes immediately, meaning use it, give it away, use it so that it will become money or income.
Donc, pour ceux qui ont des points dans leur e-store, c'est très important déjà de les activer, de les utiliser, parce qu'après 60 jours, il n'a plus d'effet. Donc, ça s'expire après 60 jours.
Okay, now let me proceed on binary PMA, meaning when it comes to PMA or another benefit, or if you won't do PMA, if you won't buy products, number 1, products for you to use. Remember, PMA personal. If you won't do PMA, number 1 that will be at risk is your health. Let me say that again. Your health. Okay? You have to maintain, okay, your health and of course your business. Because non-accumulation of points, okay, not doing PMA means, number 1, you won't benefit from the 4 compensation plan. Number 2, 5% will be deducted from your strong side, strong leg. Remember, it has points. If you won't do PMA, aside from the health, endangering your health, 5% from that points will be deducted if you won't do PMA.
Maintenant, pour ceux qui ne vont pas faire la maintenance, c'est très dangereux. Ça veut dire tout simplement qu'il y aurait 5% qui seraient déduits de votre côté fort si vous ne faites pas la maintenance et votre santé serait mise en jeu. Donc, nous conseillons à tout le monde de faire la maintenance chaque mois.
Okay. So if you're following, can you type PMA? If you're following what we are discussing, can you type PMA?
Si vous suivez de quoi nous parlons, est-ce que vous pouvez taper PMA?
Oh, Anna again. Solo. Jibrin again. Awip. Okay. Erica again. Kingsley. Okay. Thank you. Since, oh, yeah. Okay. Coach Buji. I hope I pronounced that right. Okay, thank you. Sarah, Rika. Okay, Rita Newu. Okay, let's continue. Now, good news, of course. Again, a reminder of what we have been, discussing for the last several minutes, or about for the last 30 minutes. One NPP. Remember the beauty of NPP. When you do NPP, when you buy this NPP, it's like a package. When that depends on the country you are in. Okay, so NPP covers all accounts. Meaning, when you do NPP, remember, all accounts will now be upgraded to EdPlan 2.0. So what does it mean? You'll benefit from, you'll get all the benefits of EdPlan 2.0 is offering.
Donc, un seul NPP couvre tous vos comptes et il vous permet de bénéficier du nouveau système.
Okay, well, that's how short it is. Okay, okay. Good news. How do you say good news in French?
Bonne nouvelle.
What?
Bonne nouvelle.
Well,
Bonne nouvelle.
let's say that in English. I leave it up to you and Awep and Solo. Anyway, again, another benefit of PMA, covers all. If you have 7 accounts, all you have to do is buy 0.334. Even though you have 15, it covers all. But make sure all your account is in one DTC. So by this time, we are expecting, okay, under your name, all the accounts under your name is now in one DTC. Okay, you have done your merging so that it will be covered when you do all accounts when you do PMA.
Un PMA qui veut dire une maintenance couvre tous vos comptes. Si vous avez même 15, 20, ça couvre tous les comptes pour que vous puissiez bénéficier des gains par mois.
Okay. What does bonne nouvelle? Okay. Later, Solo will answer that. Okay? Reserve all your questions because I am here with the great trainers. We have Awep, Ma'am Ana, Sir Solo, and Gab to answer all your questions. Anyway, personal rebates, which you do not have before. Another benefit when you are upgraded or when you are EdPlan 2.0 ready. Make sure, okay, by this time, we have launched this several weeks or several days already, for almost 2 weeks now. You must have done, okay, you should have done your NPP already. Okay, now, again, sorry. Go ahead, Stefano, sorry.
Donc, nous avons, si vous êtes dans le nouveau système, vous allez bénéficier du UPP, qui est une nouvelle façon d'avoir les gains dans notre système. C'est un bénéfice de plus dans notre système.
Okay, sorry, let me go. Oh, it ended the presentation. Hold on. Oh, they went fast. It went fast, sorry. Again, reminder that okay, that now one PMA covers. Let me remind you again, the benefit of doing the PMA, instead of ensuring you are in great shape because of using the products. When you do PMA, it is also ensuring you that your business is in great shape. Your income will be in great shape. Why? Because you will be, okay, earning from binary, unilevel, stair steps, and UniPay plan.
Donc, si vous faites la maintenance chaque mois, vous allez bénéficier du système binaire Unilevel et UniPay plan.
Mm-hmm. You did not mention the health.
Et la santé.
Okay. Okay. Good news is that, again, after NPP, immediately after NPP, your pairing bonus will become 25,000 and the cycle will be extended immediately. You will enjoy 9 or 18 per day. Okay.
Donc, après l'achat de votre NPP, vous allez bénéficier de 25 000 francs de bonus d'équilibre et vos cycles seraient de 9 à gauche, 9 à droite immédiatement par jour.
Okay. So there goes our review of the EdPlan, of your EdPlan 2.0 for Francophone countries. So should you have any questions, okay, we are here to questions regarding what you saw. Anything that is preventing you from sharing our business, the EdPlan 2.0, that anything that is preventing you or giving you a hard time sharing this EdPlan 2.0 from your prospects. We will be gladly clear it out with you. Okay, let me just snap you first. Okay.
Donc, pour tous ceux qui ont des questions par rapport au EdPlan 2.0, vous pouvez les poser maintenant.
Okay, now the floor is now open for your questions to all our trainers. Anna, see, Sir Solo is very eager to answer all your questions. Mercy Bupo. Oh, Kong Nicolene was able to understand what I'm saying. So, Nicoline, is it Nicoline? You can now ask Solo. Should you have any questions? Now, seriously, we'll help you out. Should you have any questions, remember we are one of your links in building your business, in maximizing this EdPlan 2.0, okay? While you are thinking of your questions, so don't miss all the training that will take place starting next week. Okay, make sure you are now part of this new group chat or group page that is created by, of course, Sir Solo, Sir Gab, Sir Awep, and Ma'am Anna. Okay, you must be in that GC or group page pala. I'm sorry, group page, because there will be new series of trainings that would commence starting next week. We have this we have this brainstorming since we're having this brainstorming since last week for the last 2 weeks together with your trainers here on how you can fully maximize EdPlan 2.0 in your business. So you must be okay. Oh, this the Filipino, Mr. iPad. Oh, you look familiar. I know you. Okay.
Donc, il dit pour les gens, vraiment, pour ceux qui ont assisté à la formation aujourd'hui, on aimerait vous inviter de nous rejoindre dans le groupe qu'on a créé. Voilà, on va vous envoyer le lien tout à l'heure pour que vous pouvez nous rejoindre, puisque c'est dans ce groupe privé qu'on viendra poster les différentes formations chaque semaine, puisqu'on va le faire chaque mercredi et vendredi dans les pays francophones. Donc, on aimerait vraiment, en tout cas, on aimerait vous rejoindre notre groupe. Et tout à l'heure, je vais envoyer le lien à Mme Anna, et aussi elle va vous envoyer le lien à M. Solo et aussi à M. Gab. Ils vont vous donner le lien, en fait. Là, vous pouvez nous rejoindre le plus tôt possible. Et aussi, on vous encourage de vraiment encourager vos filles de nous rejoindre dans ce groupe. Voilà.
Okay. I think I saw a few questions on the chat. It came from G.A. Colani, although it is in French.
Okay, sir, I can translate it, I think. Question.
Translate it for me and Sir Solo will answer.
Après les 500 paires, les primes seront nous direct ou n'importe. She said for her to benefits again, for her to benefits 25,000 again after the 500 pairs. What kind of direct does she need? It should be her indirect downline or actually her direct downline?
Sorry, so for him to go back.
Opo.
Okay. She needs to remember. That's from
G.A. Colani. She's asking. She's from Togo. She's asking for her to have the 25,000 back as pairing. Okay, les primes seront nous direct ou n'importe quelle prime. So she's asking, it should be
how can she enjoy 25,000 again? Maybe that's it. And of course, remember, you one way is when you develop a SE Prime, right? GA, if you're GA, ESE. So you can develop an SE Prime, GA Colani. I hope I pronounced that right. SE Prime, GE Prime, or GA Prime. So when you develop those direct downline or business partner of yours, even though you are already on the 500 first and beyond, okay, as Miko puts it, and beyond, okay. You will still enjoy. You will now go back to a higher pairing bonus, which is 25, okay, and extended cycle. So if it's just an SE direct prime 1 week, when you develop a GE, 1 month. When you develop when GA,
3 months.
3 months. What if you develop at the same time 3? It will now be, it will not, it will be extended. First, 1 week, after the 1 week, 1 month, after the 1 month, 3 months. So therefore, if you develop, so you'll somewhat enjoy almost 4.5 months. So our suggestion, continue getting people and then try developing them to become prime. So you continuously enjoy, even though you are on your 500 first pair, the higher matching or pairing bonus and the extended cycle. Oh. Aweb. Ayun.
Okay? Yes,
Okay.
sir. Medyo, ano, connection po, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Donc, voici
moi,
la réponse, Madame Koulani. Donc, prenez un bic, là, vous allez bien noter ça cette fois-ci. En fait, pour pouvoir bénéficier, c'est-à-dire pour pouvoir revenir, pour pouvoir ramener les 25 000 paires dans votre compte, il suffit seulement de parrainer un fiel direct. N'oubliez pas, un fiel direct qui va devenir SE prime. Donc, voici les avantages quand vous avez parrainé un fiel SE prime, c'est-à-dire on ramène les 25 000 paires de 22 000 à 25 000 paires pour une semaine. Okay. Maintenant, une fois que vous avez développé encore une autre fiole qui va être GE prime, vous avez 1 mois. Maintenant, une fois que vous avez développé un fiole direct, Global Ambassador, vous avez 3 mois. Maintenant, il a dit, une fois que vous avez imaginé, si vous avez développé les 3 ensemble, SEGEGA au même moment, c'est-à-dire on va tout additionner le temps, c'est-à-dire une semaine, 1 mois, plus 3 mois. Donc, ça va donner au moins en 4 mois et 1 semaine, vous avez bénéficié, vous allez vous profiter de 25 000 paires.
Okay. Let me add, I can see now GA Kolani. Okay, he's gone. I saw him. Wait, let me check him again. And at the same time, where is GA? You
She's
left?
here. No, she's here, sir.
Where is she?
Yes.
GA.
Kolani.
Anyway, I saw you.
Oui.
I saw GA. Hello, sir. Is it sir or ma'am? It's quite dark.
It's sir.
Sir, sorry. Now, sir, hello. No, you're from
hello.
Togo.
Yes.
You're from Togo,
Oui,
sir.
Togo, oui.
Togo.
Oui,
Did I meet you in Togo before? No.
pardon.
Il dit,
Because
est-ce
I worked
qu'il t'a
there.
déjà rencontré à Lomé avant?
I sorry.
Oui, oui, c'est Adriano, c'est ça?
Yeah.
Oui,
So,
on s'est rencontrés à
I
Lomé.
remember.
Yes. He said you
Okay.
Et en Philippines, en 2018.
And also in the
Okay.
Philippines,
Okay. Sir.
2018.
Sir, let me say again another thing that you should do. Instill a buying and using culture in your group. Make sure that everyone buys product, everybody uses product, shares product, so that prime position will be easier for the entire group. If there is a culture of buying and using of products, the prime position in your group will be easier. And then when I mean easier, you will be somehow be surprised that developing SE, prime position in your group, will be easier because the points will come naturally. Remember, when people buy products, it comes with points, right? So again, that's why I emphasized a while ago that make it a habit. When you sponsored somebody, encourage them not just to get people to join the business, but to share and sell products and use products, so that those SE prime position would be easier.
Ok. Donc, Monsieur Kolani, voici quelques conseils qu'on va vous donner pour vraiment maximiser le nouveau plan d'affaires. Donc, vraiment, il a dit, il faut essayer de créer une culture vraiment qui va bénéficier de votre équipe. C'est-à-dire, il faut que l'équipe et vous-même aient une habitude de consommation de produits. Vous êtes d'accord avec moi? Parce que si tout le monde a cette habitude de faire la consommation de produits, le point viendra naturellement. C'est-à-dire, vous allez avoir ça facilement puisque c'est déjà la mentalité de votre équipe. C'est-à-dire, eux, dans leur tête, automatiquement, chaque fin de mois, ou bien soit, eux, dans leur tête, c'est la consommation. Voilà, donc vraiment, ça va encourager plus votre équipe et vous-même vraiment de travailler et d'avoir une grande équipe dans ce business.
Merci, G.A. Colani.
Donc, merci beaucoup.
Okay.
And
So,
we have another
yes.
question from Mr. Chakala, I think.
Okay.
J'ai une question. Pourquoi les commissions ne montent pas dans nos secondes comptes?
Commission.
J'ai une question. Pourquoi les commissions ne montent pas dans nos secondes comptes?
Commission daw.
Yeah,
Hindi ko
why the
maintindihan.
commission do not go up
Bakit daw
to the second account?
to the second
Yeah,
account? I think
why
it's
not
the
the
third
commission
step that
go up
they're,
to the second account?
yeah.
Huh?
Because, kasi,
Why the commission do
j'ai une
not
question. Pourquoi
go
les
up
commissions?
in our
Yes.
second account?
Yes, since the
Make sure it's
1P8 cover all of the accounts, so they're asking why their other accounts are not are not getting benefits from from StarStep Unilevel and also UPP.
Maybe. So some accounts are not earning.
Yes, are not earning from. For example, if Mr. Chakala have more than 7 accounts, he said only his it's the only main account who's earning from UPP, StarStep, and also Unilevel.
Okay, can you ask him if he has done NPP, bro?
Monsieur Chakala,
In merging.
est-ce que vous avez fait NPP?
And merging. Ask him if he has done NP merging prior to NPP.
Moi, comme ça, je vais laisser NPP.
What?
J'ai fait le NPP le 12. Et ça a
Yes,
activé tous les
sir.
comptes.
He said he did the NPP and also the
Okay.
merging.
He did NPP. Everything is merged already.
Tout est relié, non?
Oui, tout est relié.
Yes, daw po. Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not one account. Tell him it's not one account. Remember when everything was merged, has been merged, the main account, everything, of course, will go to the main account.
Il dit quoi?
He can no longer see. But all the benefits from other accounts, instead of those can be seen in those accounts, will now be on the topmost account because everything was merged. It is benefiting.
Okay.
Okay, can you tell him?
Je sais pas si tu m'entends. Tu m'entends bien, Monsieur Chakala?
Oui, je vous attends, je vous attends.
Ok. Donc, écoutez très bien. En fait, on vous explique simplement que normalement, tous les gains de votre compte, c'est-à-dire de 2e au 15e, je ne sais pas si vous avez combien de comptes, normalement, c'est comme si on fait la compression, c'est-à-dire on remet tous les gains sur le compte principal. C'est-à-dire vous n'allez pas voir les différents gains sur le 2e compte, 3e, 4e, 5e, 5e, jusqu'au bon, au fur et à mesure, si vous avez combien de comptes, tout remonte au compte principal.
Voilà, exactement, j'ai compris. Merci beaucoup. Parce que ça nous inquiétait.
Thank you.
Il y a beaucoup de fidèles qui m'appellent pour cette question-là, depuis la Côte d'Ivoire même.
Ok.
Donc, il y a
C'est
beaucoup
ça.
de leaders ici aussi qui ont ce souci-là. Ok, c'est clair maintenant. Merci.
Sir, he's telling that since there's a lot of his downline are calling him right now regarding this issue, that's why he asked us, because
Okay, good.
many of his downlines from Ivory Coast, especially from Ivory Coast, are not earning from their other
Tu as
accounts.
entendu la question, non? Tu as entendu ce qu'ils ont dit, non? Que tout remonte sur le compte principal.
Okay.
Ok.
Bro, dapat,
Thank
okay.
you.
So ask him if he can explain it now to his people.
Merci.
Tu peux,
Okay, good.
il demande, essaye d'expliquer ça déjà à tes fioles.
So wala.
Okay na.
Okay. Explain it.
Yeah, he says okay. He understands though because most of his
Okay.
downlines are asking about that one. Now it's clear that
Okay.
that if you buy NPP and then merge, it
Yes.
will reflect on the main account.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Because that's also some concerns from other countries. They thought they are not earning. But if they have
Yes.
merged all accounts, of course they have merged. Remember, all those accounts will now be counted
Yes.
as one when it comes to
One.
when it comes to those compensation plan.
Yes.
Because that's why it's very important. Remember when we presented this, of course, Sir Arnel presented this a few weeks ago. We specify that all accounts under one DTC must be merged and then do the NPP. Okay, merge NPP.
Yes. Donc,
But if you do it otherwise, you'll have a wahala.
donc, il dit vraiment pouvoir bénéficier de tous vos comptes. Par exemple, si vous avez 15 comptes, il faut que ce soit dans le même DTC, c'est-à-dire même pseudo et aussi même mot de passe. Okay, so I think we have another question, sir.
Okay,
from,
this one English, oh.
yes, it's English.
Alio,
Okay. Please, if
Who's that?
before this new Ed Plan 2.0, the person is already silver executive and has executive silver on his strong side, then today, if the person validates 1 point on his low side, please, can he become SE Prime?
hindi ko Sino to kaya to? Is this you, Sir iPod?
No, I think it's
I have a question. Please.
Elahaji. Elahaji Ada.
Ay, Elhaji.
Elhaji.
Okay.
Yes.
Elhaji. Medyo hindi ko maintindihan yung tanong.
I
Pero
have a question, please, if before.
if the new ed plan.
So,
the
parang
person-
sinasabi niya, sir, na
Silver.
before the new comp plan, parang
Silver
naging
na siya.
SE na siya. Yes.
You have an
Silver
existing silver
You have
executive.
already, yes.
No, you have to remember. Okay.
You have to develop.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Sir Solo.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Hindi tama. Develop.
Opo.
Sabihin
Yeah.
mo nga in French. Sabihin mo in French.
Sir Solo, kaya mo yan. Sabihin mo in French.
Je ne pas comprendre français. C'est français difficile.
Is it true? Is it correct? Tama ba yun?
Sabi niya mahirap daw.
I think the French is so difficult. I cannot understand.
Oy, tell them. Awe.
Okay. Okay. So, comme je disais, il faut développer. You need to develop. Vous devez développer un nouveau SE fuel.
Yes. Develop new is.
Yes.
Every month they have to do that, bro. Tell them
Yes.
every month.
Chaque mois.
Yeah. Bring new business partner and then produce the other 10% from other line. That's why again. Okay, what happened?
Someone shared a
Some-
screen.
Yes.
Where did it happen? Nawala ako. What
Ayan
happened?
na. Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na.
What happened? I thought everyone
Someone
left
shared
the
their
room.
screen. Sir, I think let's rephrase this question. I think what he meant is how will that person become an SE Prime? If he validates, kunwari, if he sends 1 point from the other leg, will he become SE Prime now?
If he valid, okay, person, then if today this person validates 1 point on his low side, nagbigay.
Can he
Invalidate.
Oo, yun kasi ang term nila for when you
Okay.
send point, they call it validate.
Validate. So as long as, okay, as long as they, for example, okay, 1 point on his low side, can he become, okay. So as long as he can meet the requirements, there'll be okay, new, right? New. That's why Sir Solo is correct when he mentioned new. Bring in somebody, right? So that somebody, of course, is became SE, sorry. And then the 10% production, okay, if that somebody has, for example, 10 points under him, and then he validates. That's what your term, right? 1%. That's it. 10% of 10. Therefore, he met the requirement. So he will become SE, but he needs to, not the old SE, he must develop a new
A new.
SE. That's why this is encouraging. The reason of this UPP is to encourage everyone to continuously really, do the business, buy products, sponsor somebody. So that's the essence of UPP. Can you translate
yes,
that?
yes, sir. Donc, il dit vraiment, si vous voulez bénéficier de vos grades SE Prime, il faut développer un nouveau fuel direct qui va devenir un silver. Là, comme ça, vous pouvez utiliser déjà, c'est-à-dire le 90% qui est sur le côté fort. Vous avez besoin maintenant de 10% ou soit 5 points. Voilà, mais bon, comme c'est SE, il faut seulement 1 point. Voilà, donc forcément 1 point dans le côté faible. Là, comme ça, vous allez devenir un SE Prime dans le mois. Et on vous encourage de faire ça chaque mois. C'est-à-dire, il faut développer de nouvelles personnes qui vont devenir SE chaque mois.
I hope we answered that. Okay. There's another one, bro, from GA again.
Ok. Je demande une position si vous étiez qualifié pour GA Prime. Vous gagnez 2% ou 10% de nos GA? 2% ou 10% sur vos GA?
Je vais dire
Answer,
les GA. Si les GA. Je peux poser la question? C'est-à-dire, si tu es qualifié GA Prime, au fait, c'est 2% ou 10% qu'on gagne sur nos GA.
Hello?
Oui, allô?
Allô?
Oui. Je dis, moi, par exemple, je suis GA Prime. J'ai des GA dans mon équipe. Maintenant, si je suis Prime, GA Prime, quel pourcentage je gagne sur mes GA? C'est 2% ou 10%.
So he is asking if he is a GA Prime, how much can you earn on his downline who is also global ambassador as him? How many percent?
GA siya, tas GA din.
GA Prime siya.
Develop siya ng GA Prime.
So GA Prime siya. So ilang percentage daw po yung makukuha niya sa direct niyang mga GA din po?
Pag GA Prime, naka-develop siya ng GA Prime, bro. Ano siya? 2% from all his GA up to the 5th generation. Hindi na yung gaya nung sa SE. So up to the 5th generation, 2% from all the GAs. Diba? Siya to. May Prime, GA, hanggang 5. Yung dati natin, bro.
Percent, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yan.
C'est pas. Donc, il dit c'est 2%. Si vous avez développé une nouvelle personne GA, vous allez avoir, si vous êtes GA Prime, vous allez avoir 2% de première génération jusqu'au 5e génération, 2%. 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%.
Ouais, j'ai levé la main depuis. J'ai levé la main depuis.
Oui, je vous écoute.
Ok, ma question c'est au niveau des cycles. Par exemple, si on prend par exemple à partir de 500 unième, donc on gagne 22 000. Mais là-bas, le cycle c'est 9 sur 9. Mais bon, là-bas, je ne comprends pas. Parce que quand c'est 18 côté gauche et 18 côté droite, c'est l'équilibre de 18 là qui fait les 396 000 qu'on dit. Mais les 9 sur 9 qu'on a mis, est-ce que c'est 9 à gauche, 9 à droite?
S'il vous plaît. Je vous entends très mal.
Ah bon, il pleut ici, c'est pourquoi.
Je ne comprends pas ce que vous êtes en train de dire.
Ah, il pleut, c'est pourquoi. Je peux aller maintenant?
Hindi ko siya maintindihan eh.
Ano mo kay Stefano?
Allô?
Oui, allô, il pleut chez nous, c'est pourquoi ça fait comme ça, quoi. Je peux aller maintenant?
Chappy.
Stefano.
Allô?
Maybe.
Vous écoutez?
I think it's the connection.
Your connection is...
Tevi.
Oui, c'est monsieur Tevi.
Yes. Can you please write your question? Si vous pouvez écrire votre question, ça va nous arranger nous tous. Puisque je vous entends très mal.
Tevi.
Ok.
Je vous entends très mal. Donc, si vous pouvez écrire votre question.
Parce que c'est un peu compliqué d'écrire quoi.
En fait, le problème, c'est quoi? Je vous comprends pas. Je vous entends très mal. Je ne sais pas si c'est votre connexion.
Non,
Oui,
c'est
ah ouais.
la pluie. Ok, il n'y a pas de problème. Je vais écrire.
Ok.
Je vais écrire là.
You're right. Okay.
Oui, moi, je comprends ce qu'il dit.
Vas-y.
Est-ce que vous me saisissez?
Oui,
Oui, c'est-à-dire, tout à l'heure, on vient de donner par sigle 9 sur 9. Alors que le module qu'on a envoyé précédemment, on nous a parlé de 7 sur 7 par sigle ou 14 sur 14. Les deux sigles dans les 24 heures. C'est ça qu'il ne comprend pas. Au juste, c'est 9 ou bien c'est 7 par sigle.
Sir, can I answer it already? Sir
Sige.
A? Sige, sagutin ko na.
Sure.
Okay. Monsieur Kolani,
Oui.
je vais répondre directement sur la question que
D'accord.
vous avez posée. En fait,
Oui.
une fois que vous avez dépassé les 500 premières paires,
Oui.
le bonus d'équilibre revient à 22 000. Mais avant, c'était à 25 000, mais c'était à 7 par jour. Okay? Maintenant, cette fois-ci, quand elle revient à 22 000, les paires deviennent à 9 par jour. C'est
Très
pareil
bien, c'est
comme
ça.
pour le AP. De
Ok,
10,
je comprends.
elle a 12 500, mais cette fois-ci, si elle a à 11 000, elle revient à 14 paires par jour.
Très bien, c'est ça.
Ok, thank you so much. Okay.
Meron pa, oh.
Ok. J'aimerais savoir si les gradés profitent aussi de UPP. Tinatanong niya if SEGE or GA siya, magkakikita daw ba siya sa UPP?
Basta mag-ano, SE?
SEGE or GA.
Yes. Basta mag-ano siya, sabi mo PMA, bro.
Voilà, vous allez bénéficier, mais il faut faire la maintenance.
Assured siya ng 1 to 10.
Voilà. Donc,
Pero,
si vous n'êtes pas gradé, je vous explique, vous allez bénéficier de première génération ou 10e génération. OK? Donc, c'est ça.
Kaya mag-PMA, bro.
Voilà, mais il faut faire la maintenance, où on a dit PMA tout à l'heure. Il faut faire la maintenance pour pouvoir bénéficier de tout plan d'affaires.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
Si ano.
I think Mr. Tevi, I will give you my WhatsApp so you can call me there later so I can answer your question. Yes.
Tevi.
Yes.
Yeah, GA Tevi from Togo.
Yes. This is my WhatsApp.
From Solos Group.
This is my WhatsApp. Voici mon WhatsApp. Écrivez-moi là-bas. Là, comme ça, je vais répondre facilement à votre question. So, I think
Sir, ano, yung
may question ba?
Yung Filipino, sir. Yung
Sir
Pinoy.
iPad.
Hindi, Pilipino siya eh. Si Sir iPad. Walang pangalan. Sir.
Okay. So, is there any questions again? Est-ce qu'il y a des questions encore?
Okay, good morning. Yan, oh.
Good morning. What are the benefits of SE Prime and GE Prime?
Ulitin natin. Kaya mo na sagutin.
Okay, donc c'est tellement simple.
2%.
Vous allez, yes.
2%, sabi mo.
Donc, vous allez bénéficier de 2%. Voilà, sur votre fuel de première génération ou deuxième génération.
To the second level.
Yes. Voilà.
Okay. What else? Meron dito. Oh, Ma'am Ana, emphasize something on PMA, 2 blister pack or 6
Yes.
RP. RP retail pack.
Pour les pays qui ont des plaquettes, vous avez besoin de 6 plaquettes.
6
Voilà.
plaquettes.
6 plaquettes. Mais chez nous, en Côte d'Ivoire, on n'a pas de plaquettes, donc il faut juste 2 boîtes. Soit 2 boîtes de complete ou bien 2 boîtes de C24.
Packet.
For Cameroon,
Alam,
it's
plaquette.
Placket. 6 placket. Placket. For Cameroon, of course. For Ivory Coast then. For Togo. Wait.
Yes.
Wait.
Anything else? Any other questions?
Bro, Announce nyo kaya yung sa ano nyo, yung sa GC na bago natin. No?
Nasabi ko na sir kanina.
Announce mo, sir.
Opo.
Announce mo ulit, Awit.
Okay.
Since
Donc,
Oo, announce mo bro, na dapat
Okay.
lahat, ipasok nila
Donc,
lahat doon.
dernière annonce, s'il vous plaît, à tout le monde qui sont là. On va vous envoyer, sinon dans le groupe, in group chat in Togo, I already sent the link. J'ai déjà envoyé le lien. Please join us. And also encourage your downline to join our group. Donc, encouragez aussi votre downline de nous rejoindre dans ce groupe. Okay? Especially for those new members, pour des nouveaux, voilà, pour des nouveaux distributeurs, vraiment, on vous encourage de nous rejoindre. Parce que vraiment, cette formation de base va vous vraiment aider à maximiser votre revenu.
Yeah.
For Cameroon, I have already invited directly to the page some of the leaders that are in my Facebook list. So for those who are not in my list, I will be sending the link right after this meeting or training.
I have pasted the link on the chat box.
Yes, so yes. Donc le lien est collé déjà dans le chat. So please copy and paste it to all your group chats. Copy and paste.
We'll start next week, sabihin mo bro. Kailan ba kayo? Kailan ba to?
Wednesday kami sir and Friday. Bale si Coach John and Sir Jason.
West Africa pala to.
Wednesday
Yan.
and Friday.
Okay.
Okay.
Merci
Anything
beaucoup.
else?
Actually, 5 pieces only will do it.
Okay, so I think we're done.
2025 only.
Donc
Thank
vraiment, merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Vraiment.
Thank you so much.
Alors, merci à tout le monde qui ont participé à cette belle formation aujourd'hui. Thank you so much, Sir Adrian.
Welcome.
I like
Merci
your jacket,
beaucoup.
sir. Avengers.
Dadala mo kayo dyan.
Ayun.
Hindi na magkasya yung binigay sa akin ni Solo. No? Yung gano'n, yung galing Ivory. Pinadala nila. Ayan.
You put it in the hot water first.
Sumisikip.
No, you put it in the hot water. Tapos,
Okay.
sir, isusot mo.
Oo nga eh. Pati yung kamay ko nilagay ko sa hot water. Anyway, guys, thank you, Sir Solo,
Thank you so
Mama
much.
Ana, Sir Awep, Sir
Sir
Gab.
Adrian, thank you
Thank you.
po.
See you next.
Sir
thanks.
A.
Thank you all. God bless you all.
Ana.
See you next
Bye.
time.
Stefano, thank you so much. Stefano,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.